fine. Where are you going to?
I'm going to my bike race.
Excited. How are you feeling? Huh?
Excited.
Really? Are you sure? I don't know if he will manage. Hey, I'm just here because I want to make sure that he'll be fine. And if he struggles, he will obviously hop onto the bike again. So we are attempting. He had taken a break. He was sitting in the car. So now we're attempting for the second time, and he's back on the road. Let's see how much he can do. It's so foggy. It's so chilly. I actually had to ask him to put on a jersey now, and you know what? I'm gonna pray that he doesn't catch any flu. Yeah. So let's see. Can't even see him. The way it's so foggy, guys. Like I feel like the camera's not even doing any justice. I'm at the back of the buggy. Bokamoso is inside. Unfortunately, we had to take a little bit of a break because the trail is 10 kilometers long, and obviously he's a little, he's not that fit or that strong enough to do the trail. Oh. Okay, so one of the rangers is helping me record. This is so cool. Honestly, I'm enjoying this free ride that I'm getting right now. This is like a game tour because we just saw three wildebeests, and they've got giraffes, pala, kudu,
Denker,
Stenbok. I have no idea what those animals how they look like. I don't know anything about them. I'm hoping that we'll spot more animals. That would be great, honestly. But even if we don't, we've had a great time so far. We're gonna stop closer to the finish line. Bokamoso is going to get off, and he's going to do his, ride, and he's going to get his medal. And I'm sure he would obviously be very, very excited. This is his first race, guys. I'm so happy for him. Beyond ecstatic. So yeah, let's enjoy the ride. I'm proud of you, Nick. High five.